Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 independent project 3 to 4. So if you want to complete simulate project Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 independent project 3 to 4 and click the starter files and go to the downloads and open the Excel files. Click the enable editing and next as we move to the in questions and the total question is 19. We move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is open the classics Gardeners 3 starter file. If the workbook is protected view and click the enable editing buttons, you can modify the file name will be renamed automatically your name and change the project files numbers and name directed to instructor and save. So I have already enabled editings and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is use the quick analysis tool to create the cluster column charts object for cell A4 to G9. So copy the range and go to the Excel worksheet and paste the range, press centers. So select the range and quick analysis tool and create the cluster column charts and create the cluster column charts. Click OK. So next is move the chart object top left corner in cell A12 and resize the bottom to chart each in cell H13. So move the charts top left in A12, move the chart in cell A12 and move the chart in cell A12 to reach in cell H13. Drag the chart in cell H13. Move the drag in cell H13 and next is added the chart title to display the CGL gross margin in dollars on the first line, on the second line by the departments and all enters. So added the chart titles, copy the chart titles and go to the Excel worksheet. So select the chart titles and paste the chart title, press enter and next is second line is by department and by department. So question number 4 is complete and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is apply the chart style 14. So apply the chart style 14, click OK and add the chart style 14 and next is apply the black text one outline to the chart area. So select the chart area. So chart style 14 and apply the black text one outline is the chart area. So click the format and shape outline is the black text one. So second column in the outline in the chart and black text one. So next is display the primary manner horizontally axis gradient and format the major vertical axis black text one outline color and do not change the minors. So display the primary manner horizontally axis grid lines. Display the primary manner horizontally grid line primary manner horizontally axis, and major axis grid line is the black text font outline colors, and click the solid colors is the black text one, and next is black text one, do not change the color grid line. So question number 7 is complete, and we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is resize the data range to remove the design consultants data series to the chart. So next is resize the data range, remove the design consulting and the data series. So resize the data series. And next is resize the data and remove the design data series, and remove the data series. So next is remove the data series, and we move to the question number 9. Select the A1 and then click the break even sheet tab. So click the break even sheet tab and select the B8 margin per units and calculated the subtracted variables, and B10 is the formula divided by 10, and B5 is so select the B8 and per units calculated subtracting the variable cost, and select the B10 the formula divided by fixed in the margin per units, and review the so in cell select the B8. So select the B8 and the margin per unit is calculated by the subtracting variable cost from the sale price. So sale price and variable cost from a sale price and percentage. And next is select the cell B10 the formula divided the fixed cost by the sale price minus the variable cost. The result are rounded to show no decimal. So select the B10, and B10 is the minus variable cost. The result are rounded to show the no decimal places and percenter. And next is per D is select the B5 and type 200 and verify that the price break even point 200 units. This is level at the which profile profit cover cells. So B5 is type 200 and select the B5 and type the 200 percenters. So question number 10 is complete, and we move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is create a line chart and select the B42, C24 and F42, F24. Create the 2D line chart with the marker for each line and position the chart object the start A26 to H45. So copy the range P40 to C24 and go to the Excel worksheet and paste the range, press enter, sorry, and select the P42 C and next is the label at cost and copy the range and next select the B42C24 B42C24 and next range is E42 F42 E42 F42 E42 F24 F24 and create the 2D line with the marker chart lines. Go to the insert tabs and go to the recommended and click the charts and click the all charts and click the line charts and click the 2D with the chart marker lines, 2D line with the marker charts and click OK. So next is position the chart object to start A26 to H45. So move and drag the chart in A26 to A26 A26 to H45. So H45, move and drag the chart in H45. Move and drag the chart in H45. So question number 11 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete Simulate project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So I have done the assignments. Please click OK to submit the assignments. Save the files. Click the save as. Save and upload the assignment and check the support. Close the Excel files and upload my files. Click open and yes, submit the files. Upload the assignment and check the support. And 88